Alright, here's how to clear RAM cache in Windows 10 and 11 to speed up your sluggish computer. Right-click the Windows Start button and select Task Manager. Click the Performance tab, then click Memory on the left. You'll see how much RAM is being used and how much is cached. If cached memory is showing several gigabytes, that's why your computer feels slow. Open your browser and search for Microsoft RamMap. Click the first result to get to Microsoft's official download page. This tool is free and made by Microsoft, so it's safe to use. Click Download RamMap to get the zip file. Find the file in your Downloads folder after it finishes downloading. Extract it. Right-click rammap.exe and select Run as administrator. Accept the license agreement by clicking Agree. RamMap opens up and shows you a detailed breakdown of your memory usage. You can put Task Manager and RamMap side by side to watch what happens. In RamMap, click the empty menu at the top. Select Empty Standby List from the dropdown. Watch Task Manager as the cached memory drops. It should go from several gigabytes down to just a few hundred megabytes. You can clear even more if you want. Empty Modified Page List will get rid of more cached data. Empty Working Sets does the most thorough cleaning. Each one clears different types of cached memory. Keep RamMap on your computer because this problem comes back. When your system starts feeling slow again, just run RamMap and empty the standby list. It's completely safe since it only clears temporary cached data.